Immigration into the United States is complicated, time-consuming, and requires a lot of documents. What happens when you forget to submit one of those documents? Can your petition or application be denied? Let's find out. A warm welcome to the Ray Law International channel. I'm Anthony Ray. Let's find out what problems are caused when you don't include all the documents. First, consider the severity of the mistake. Listing the wrong date of birth versus misspelling the name of an employer 5 years ago are different situations. A good rule of thumb is, if the mistake centers on your identity or might affect approval, you need to correct the mistake as soon as possible. Let's start with documents that have been submitted but not yet reviewed by the government agencies. How to correct the mistake depends on what department received the forms. Forms sent to the Department of Labor will likely need to be withdrawn and refiled with the proper information. For the Department of State, it depends on the timing and the specific form. Form DS-160, the non-immigrant visa form, is completed online and can be reopened and amended within 30 days of initial submission. Changes to the Form DS-260, the immigrant visa, requires assistance from the National Visa Center. Finally, forms submitted to the USCIS can potentially be fixed via the Customer Service Center. If someone at the contact center can fix the error, make sure to get a reference number and date for all communications in case additional follow-ups are needed. For more complicated mistakes, you may need to submit a letter explaining the mistake and how it should be corrected. It's still a good idea to get in touch with the USCIS Customer Service Center to ensure you follow the correct procedure for amending more complicated errors. Let's say you didn't notice the mistake, but the USCIS does once they open your application. At this point, they could send you a request for evidence, or they could reject your application, which means you would have to begin the process all over again. The above situations are why it's essential to have an immigration attorney help you navigate this process. Attorneys can minimize the risk of mistakes, ensure you complete the necessary forms, and get your documents filed quickly. Now, more than ever, it is important that you have an immigration attorney involved in your immigration case. Get the Ray Law advantage. Get the information and knowledge you need to have peace of mind. Stay updated on immigration matters by subscribing to our channel and sharing these videos with your friends and family. Also, join us for our live webinars each month and ask questions. Thank you for the privilege of your time. We'll see you next time.